Bright red-head in males. Females are yellowish-brown colored. Belongs to the Plosidae family. Native to sub-Saharan Africa. Known for intricate nest building. Males construct large woven nests. Nests are spherical or elongated. Often found in savanna habitats. Forages on insects and seeds. Red-head males attract mates. Females usually less colorful. Monogamous breeding pairs form. Nests are suspended on branches. Often nests in acacia trees. Males weave multiple nest attempts. Males aggressively defend territories. Females choose nests to occupy. Both parents feed young birds. Fledglings leave nest after weeks. Exhibits strong social colony behavior. Commonly seen in open woodlands. Feeds on fruits and berries. Males build nests using grass. Calls are sharp, chirping sounds, usually seen in small groups. Females lay 2 to 3 eggs. Eggs incubate for 2 weeks. Fledglings are dull-colored initially. Nest construction takes several days. Strong beaks assist in weaving. Nests help protect from predators. Nest site usually near water. Males court females through displays. Birds communicate through calls. Predators include snakes and birds. Active during daylight hours. Exhibits seasonal molting behavior. Often breeds in rainy season. Prefers areas with dense foliage. Builds nests high above ground.